We begin again this section with breaking news of that tsunami warning for British Columbia and Alaska. They've been canceled, as well as the watches for the entire west coast. They were triggered by a 7.9 magnitude earthquake off of the coast of Alaska.
There is still an advisory for part of Alaska. King 5's Alex Rozier joining us now with the latest. Alex?
Stephen, Joyce, good morning to you. Certainly a scary morning for many Alaskans and several people outside as well in British Columbia. The good news is that it seems things may be getting a little better. I want to take you to some of the latest tweets that we are seeing here in the newsroom, beginning with this from the Associated Press. Just a few minutes ago, as you mentioned, the National Tsunami Center canceling the tsunami warning after the Alaska quake, but the advisory remains for part of that state. Also, from the National Weather Service Seattle, there were some watches for the Washington, Oregon, and California coast. Those two have been canceled. I want to show you right here, though. If you look on the left side, you can see the map of where this took place. The earthquake struck about 175 miles southeast of Kodiak, Alaska, on the far southern end of the state. And because of this, the National Weather Service sent a message to cell phones this morning saying, go to high ground or move inland. In fact, listen to what the Kodiak Police Department said on Facebook just a few hours ago.
This is an actual tsunami warning. Everybody get at least 100 feet above sea level. High school parking lot. Pillar Mountain is safe, however, it is very backed up right now, so you won't make it there in 5 minutes. So best place right now is a high school parking lot. Everybody get out of your homes and make it a safe place.
As you can imagine, a bunch of Alaskans talking about this on social media, taking it very seriously. You can see this post on Twitter showing all of the vehicles lined up to try to get to higher ground in Kodiak this morning. Some of you may be wondering about friends that may be in Anchorage. The Anchorage Police Department said no tsunami warning for the Anchorage area and its vicinity. They say they are outside the danger zone. So it's a story we're certainly going to keep our eye on this morning. The good news is it seems things are getting a little bit better, Stephen, Joyce.